In this video, are we expecting more bearish days for the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, this is just going to be a quick update video because there is not much to talk about rather than this bearish cross in the daily time frame stochastic RSI. So, di ba sa previous analysis, sabi ko sa inyo, we are expecting bearish days because of this bearish cross nga sa daily stochastic RSI. And take a look at that. That has played nga immediately exactly. But right now, as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng somewhat of a short-term, very small consolidation dito kay Bitcoin price action. So, but as you can see, the momentum is still telling us na we are still going to have a bearish continuation to the downside dito. So in this case, I am expecting Bitcoin to continue to the downside pa din. And if you're going to zoom in the 4-hour time frame, you will start to see na nag-start na tayo potentially ng falling channel. So in this case, if this is a falling channel, then this is going to be a continuation pattern muna up until we reach siguro. Ang target ko dito is around the 61,000 US dollars. So 61K is my first target dito with the Bitcoin price action. And zooming out pa din dito in the weekly time frame, you will find na in the weekly, we are starting to form somewhat a bullish divergence na nga dito kay Bitcoin in the weekly. So those are good signs na we might see the end of this dump. But yun nga, since weekly time frame will take a lot of time to process or to play out, hindi to immediately. So hindi to overnight na gagalaw. Hindi to overnight na magpo-form ng bullish divergence. It's going to take weeks for us to see this bullish divergence form. So, hanggang ngayon, sa ngayon, masyado pa maaga para sabihin na bullish divergence na. But yun nga, may early signs na tayo na nagsasabi na meron na tayong bullish divergence dito with the Bitcoin price action. Short-term trades, wala akong short-term trades update ngayon. Siguro, I might open a short position dito kay Bitcoin price action. And as for my long-term trades, di ba nag-open ako from 70,000, 68, 67, 63, and ayun, 63 and 61,000. So right now, naka-open lahat yung long position ko dun, long-term long position ko dyan. Hinahayaan ko na lang siya and hindi ko na siya kakalikutin. And yun na, iiwanan ko na lang siya dyan guys hanggat sa bumalik yung long-term bull market. So, liquidation nun napapatak na sa around 45,000 yata, around that area. So, medyo confident naman ako na hindi naman na tayo feel ko aabot doon kasi looking at the historical price action, mukhang yung 50-week moving average is playing around the 60,000 US dollars. 45K is parang sobrang layo na siya. So that's why medyo confident ako dun sa position ko ngayon with the long-term price, with my long-term trades dito with the Bitcoin price action. But anyway, I guess that's all the update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.